Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. And today in my southern kitchen, I got a great treat for y'all. Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner and these would be perfect. We're gonna make homemade churros. And churros is a Mexican style donut. It's fried to golden perfection and coated in cinnamon sugar. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And if y'all a fan of churros, y'all gonna love these. And it's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Mexican recipes, check out my Mexican recipes playlist and my previous video, homemade buttercream frosting. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your cinnamon sugar, and get your oil heating up sugar because we're about to fry some churros magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of water, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alrighty my friends, our water and sugar mixture has came to a boil. So now we're going to cut the heat off and remove it from the burner. And into our water mixture, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I sifted. And I also sifted the sugar and the salt. Going to give it a quick stir until everything is well combined. And we want it to form it into a ball. You can smell the vanilla. Smells good. Alrighty my friends, I'm through stirring up my dough and it formed into a ball. Now we're ready to pour it into our piping bag. We're going to pour it into my piping bag using a star piping tip. Alrighty, so now we're going to set our dough aside while I heat up some oil. Alrighty my friends, I have a pot of oil heating up and I got it to 375 degrees. So we're going to take our dough, we're going to gently pipe it into the hot oil, like so. And we're going to take the scissors and cut them like so. Alright, we're going to let them fry until they're golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright my friends, our churros are done. See how golden brown they are? They don't take long to fry. So I'm going to pull these out, and as soon as I get to frying the rest of my churros, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through frying up my churros. And the smell is heavenly. So while they're still hot, we're going to dunk them into my cinnamon sugar in this bowl, with a half a cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Just like that. Now how good does that look? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the rest of my churros and then I'll plate them up and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Homemade churros. Doesn't that look good? And I'm serving it with some chocolate syrup on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I'm going to try one by itself. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at the inside, nice and fluffy. It's crunchy and perfectly cooked. And I love that cinnamon sugar on top. These churros are amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to dip in my chocolate syrup. Yum-o. Churro-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Cinco de Mayo.